Question 27e. A box contains 33 scarves made from 2 different fabrics. There are 14 scarves made from silk, S, and 19 made from wool, W. 2 girls each select at random a scarf to wear from the box. Part 1. Copy and complete the probability tree diagram in your answer booklet. I've completed it here, so let me go through the explanation. This is a multi-stage experiment without replacement. So a girl chooses a scarf, does not put it back. So that reduces the number of scarves in the box. So if we're starting off with 33 scarves, so that's stage 1, when a scarf is chosen, regardless of whether it's silk or wool, that'll reduce the number of scarves by 1. So that's why the denominators of the second stage are all 32. So let's say a silk scarf was chosen first. So we're starting off with 14 silk scarves. That leaves 13 left to choose from. And 19 wool scarves still remain in the box. And another check is that if you add 13 and 19 together, it should equal 32 because the 32 represents the number of scarves that are left in the box. If a wool scarf was chosen first, that'll deplete the number of wool scarves by 1. So if we're starting off with 19 wool scarves, a wool scarf is chosen, we're left with 18. And there's 14 silk scarves left to choose from as well because the wool was chosen first, so there's still 14 silk scarves remaining. I've also listed the 4 outcomes. So at the end of this multi-stage experiment, we've got silk, 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 wool, wool, silk, and wool, wool as our 4 outcomes. Part 2, calculate the probability that the 2 scarves selected are made from silk. So we want this outcome here, silk, silk. And we find that probability by multiplying 14 over 33 by 13 over 32, and we get 91 over 528. And part 3, calculate the probability that the 2 scarves selected are made from different fabrics. So we want the probability of either choosing silk wool or wool silk. And we just add those 2 probabilities together. So the probability of silk wool or wool silk is equal to 14 over 33. So this way, 14 over 33 multiplied by 19 over 32. I'll put that in brackets just to group it together, just to make it clearer, plus 19 over 33 multiplied by 14 over 32. And that equals 133 over 264.